See, string s1 equal to null. String s2 equal to null. If I write here, what will be happen is here s1 created, in that s1 null will be stored. Okay, if you write like this, what will happen? String object created, in this object null will be stored. This s2 contains hash code. S2 contains hash code. Suppose if I write if s1 double equal to null, if I write system dot out dot println hello, if I write now, if I write like this, now if s1 double equal to null, system dot out dot println hello. Same if s1 s2 double equal to null, if I write system dot out dot println hello, here and here, what is the output comes? This left side, what is output? Output is hello. Here output is hello. Okay, here no output. Okay, now suppose if I write like this, if s1 not equal to null, system dot out dot println hello. Here if s2 not equal to null, system dot out dot println hello. Then here what is output comes? Here here s2 contains hash code. You studied in core Java, equals method also is there. Equals method. What's the difference between equals method and equals operator? Equals method, equals method compares content, string objects. Equal operator, hash code. Equals method compares the contents of objects. Equals operator compares hash code. The difference is there. Okay, here see, equals method compares the contents of string objects, whereas equals operator compares hash code. See, for example, say string s1 equal to new string hello. String s2 equal to new string hello. System dot out dot println s1 dot equals s2. What is the output comes? True or false? What is the output? True comes. Okay, suppose system dot out dot println s1 double equal to s2. What it comes? False. This is true, this is false. File, save. These all I taught in core Java class also. Java C demo.java, Java demo. See, you are getting true or false. Okay. Any doubt in this? In first line, how many objects created? How many objects? Two objects. Second line? Second line, one only created. Constant pool does not allow duplicate. That is the reason only here. See, string s1 equal to new string hello. If you write in first line, two objects created. This is one string object. This object contains hello. So every string literal itself object. Every string literal itself object. Okay. This new constructor, one more object created outside. It is one more object, another object, string object. This hello I pass it to this object. That means this hello comes here. This hello will be here. This is referred by S1. S1 contains this object hash code. Okay. When second line, this is constant pool in a string constant pool memory block. String constant pool. String constant pool. Here one more object created. This hello, one more hello not created. Constant pool does not allow duplicates. This is new string. Here created. This hello only placed here. Here S2. Here see, when first line executed, here one object created inside the pool, one more outside the pool, two objects created. When second line executed, outside the pool only created, because string constant pool does not allow duplicates. So string constant pool does not allow duplicates. Now that's what it won't create one more. Here only created. Equals method. Equals method, what will do is it will compare this hello and this hello. Same is there or different is there? Same. That's what here output is true. Here output is true. Okay. S1 double equal to S2. This hash code, compared. Is it same hash code or different hash code? Different hash code. That is the reason false. Here false comes. So equals method of string class compares the content of string objects. Equals operator compares the hash code. If you want, you can write. This is a record for next program. Equals method of string class compares contents of string objects. Whereas equals operator compares hash code. Equals method of string class compares contents of string objects, whereas equals operator compares hash code. string constant pool does not allow duplicates. Equals method of string class compares contents of string objects, whereas equals operator compares hash code. Is it over? So what is output? True, false. So this equals method compares this hello and this hello. Same is there, true. But this equals operator, here hash code, here hash code. Here hash code is this object hash code. Here object is this object hash code. So objects are different, hash codes are different. That is the reason false. Okay. Is it over? Suppose if I write like this, what is the output comes? Like this also you can create, no? What is it? Both are true. Both are true. Okay, both are true. Because here what will happen in first line, how many objects created? One object. Where it is created? Inside the pool or outside the pool? Inside the pool. When second line executed, what will happen? No object. That object only referred. Okay. So that is the reason. See, you will get a both true. Compilation, execution. True and true. So here what will happen is like this. One object only created. String object which contains hello. This is created inside the pool. String constant pool. This is referred by S1. This is referred by S1. When you create S2 hello means same hello referred by S2. Same hello referred by S2. Then equals method. This hello compared with this hello only. So equals method will compare. Here double equal. This hello compared this hash code compared with this hash code. Same will be there. That's what here output is true. Here output is true. Here also output true. Here same object hash code stored here. That's what true. Alright, this one also if you want. Here equals method, here equals operator. Is it over? So equals method compares the content of objects. Equals operator compares the hash code. Now same hash code or different hash code? Same hash code. That's what true. Here same hello. That's what true. Both the places true and true. Okay. Now I'll ask one question. Give me answer. String SC equal to null. Okay. If S double equal to null, you have seen just now. System dot out dot println hello. What is output comes? System dot out dot println hello. What is output comes? Output is hello. File save. See compilation execution. Hello. Suppose if I write not equal to null, what is the output? No output. No output. Okay. Suppose if you write like this, now yes not equal to null, what is the output? What is the output? Hello. Hello. String yes double equal to null, no output. Okay. These four you have seen. Suppose if I write here, if S1 dot equals null, system dot out dot println hello. Here if S1 dot S2 dot equals null, system dot out dot println hello. Now give me answer. First one, no output. Second one, is it right? Now here how it is created, you studied. Okay. See, these only interview questions, written test questions in software companies. See what you are giving answers, you observe. Previous all answers you given right answers, but now think yourself now. Concept I explained also. Give me answer. What you given first answer? No output. Second answer? Hello. Now think yourself and give me answer once again. Equals method compares the content of string object. No. S2 equals method, it will compare this content null, here also null, so true, hello. That is okay. Left side. Error comes. Equals method, what it compares? Content. Where is content? Content is not there. Content is not there. For equals method compares the content of object. Object is not there. So this is called null pointer exception error. Null pointer exception. Object is not there. Object is not there. What will compare? Equals method compares object content, but object is not there. Content later, first object not there. It's a runtime error exception. Now here output is hello. Null equals with null, true. What do you point? Suppose if I write here, I want to write not equals. Not equals method is there. Not equals method is there. Not there. But I want to write. How to write? Not equals method is not there. I want to make it not, like you have seen, equals operator is there, not equals operator is there. Equals operator is there, not equals operator is there. Like that written. But equals method only is there, but not equals are not there. But I want to write not operator. We can write not, after that s1 dot equals dot equals null. Okay. Now here one more brace required. That is equals method close. This bracket close. One more if condition close. So system dot out dot println hello. Here what is output comes? Again null pointer exception. Because actually object is not there. Object is not there. How will compare? Not possible. So it is null pointer exception. Okay. Here I want to write here if not, again s2 dot equals null. System dot out dot println hello. Here what is the output? S2 not equals null. No, S2 nothing but here equals method nothing but this null. Null equals null. True, not true. False. False means no output. This type of logics, core Java, so many are there. Okay. Write this one also. Which one? Second one, right side or left side? Right side. It is false. Not executed. It will come out. Yes. Not executed. False means not executed. Inside the parenthesis, true is there, executed. False is there, not executed. Here object is not there. Here object is not there. But error comes. Equals method compares object content, but object is not there. That's what error. Null pointer exception. So whatever I taught, these all core Java. Okay. Now for a second session tracking method, this knowledge is required. That's the reason I taught. Is it over? See. See. Next session tracking method. What is the next session tracking method? URL rewriting. Note on URL rewriting. URL rewriting. Okay. You studied. How many session tracking methods are there? 4 session tracking methods. What is the first one? Cookies. Second one, URL rewriting. Third one, HTTP sessions. Fourth one, hidden form fields. Hidden form fields. Okay. Who is this? Anish. It is live class only, no? Is it recorded class? I'm asking questions also, no? Every day. I'm interacting also. Is it first class you are attending? Anish. First class. Like already how many classes completed? So JDBC completed, Solid completed. Who allowed to join in this today class? See. URL rewriting. See. You have seen session tracking. First one, cookies. The client state information stored in browser memory. Now URL rewriting nothing but it is appended to URL. Right? In this session tracking method, client state information appended to URL. In this session tracking method, client state information appended to URL. In the session tracking method, client state information appended to URL. Here, little bit different. This is same program, whatever I taught yesterday, cookies. In the session tracking method, client state information appended to URL. See, URL rewriting. Whatever URL will be there, that URL you can rewrite with the client state information. That is called URL rewriting. So in the session tracking method, client state information appended to URL. But previous program, what we did, stored in browser memory. But now we are appending to URL. With this, we'll retrieve the data. What's the difference between that one, this one? After program, you'll see. After program. See, in a session tracking method, client to first is cookies program. Cookies program you studied. It is added to browser memory. After that, retrieved from browser memory. Like that you have seen. See, it is client system. It is server system. from client system, if I send request, if I select some books, the books are where it is stored? Cookies, nothing but browser. It is stored here only. So in this computer only stored. So one more person selected. Again request comes and this person items is stored in this computer only. Suppose one more request came. One more request came. This request comes. Again this response comes. It is stores here only. See, you are sending request. You are sending request. Then server side program executed. That program will store the data in my system. See how it is application. If I open Amazon, suppose if I open Amazon website, if I select some books, then request password to server. Whatever selected, where it is going to store? In your system only going to store. In your shopping cart is in your system only. That is cookie. Whenever you select the items are stored in your system. But who is going to store? Server. But where is server? Server some other location. But it is going to store in our system. Okay. But what we are doing, how internally working, we are not writing anything. We are calling cookie object. Cookie object we are creating, we are calling add cookie. It will be added. That everything internal only. But now we are going to append to URL. So same program, whatever you have seen, that is, I'll show you with URL creating. Yesterday cookies, this program. Now here what I did, this is I added to client, I retrieved from client. But now I'm not going to do this one. Just these books I'll add to this URL. Here URL is there here. Next if you click, this solid executed. Next if we click, this solid executed. This solid URL pattern we are writing here. With that URL, these books I'll add. Then what will happen? It is passed. That is also session tracking. But here methods also not required. Only appending to URL. That is also one mechanism. That is also one mechanism. Okay. See. Same program. File. New. Dynamic web project. Project name suppose URL. Next. Next. Web.xml. Finish. Here. Right click. New. HTML. Same. File name same. Books.html. Next. Finish. Here what I'm doing is this HTML, same. One character also no need to change. This HTML program is this is only I'll copy. Here I'll paste. Now one character also no need to change as it is. So HTML no changes as it is. This books.html other program. Now this is. Now it is same, no change. After this, right click, new, solid. Here, package name, URL. Class name, set URL I'll write. Okay, set URL. Class name. Like a set cookie is there, no? Like that, set URL. Whatever you want, you can write, that is nothing. Now, after that, next. Here, it is same, no change. Set only I'll write. Set. Okay. Next. Now, which type of request coming? Get. Because that is not confidential. Finish. Here. Here also I'm not going to change anything. Almost the same, little bit different. That's what I'll do is, this is only I'll copy. See here what I'll do is in cookie only set cookie. This is what I'll do. This part I'll copy. This part. Control C. Here I'll paste. Here I'll paste. What are the changes required? You observe. After retrieving data, now no need to create cookies. You have to append to URL. That's what this all if conditions I'll remove. I removed. Where is URL? This is URL. URL nothing but URL pattern nothing but URL only. For this we have to append. How to append is one format is there. Question mark you have to write. That is format. Name and value. Name is book 1. Value is S1. Name is book 2. Value is S2. Name is book 3. Value is S3. We have to write. Here book 1 equal to S1 and book 2 equal to S2 and book 3 equal to S3. Now selected or not, I'm not checking. All I'm adding. First book also, second book also, third book also I'm adding. If selected means value comes. Not selected means null comes. Now one more thing. If I write like this. One more question. Listen. String S equal to hello. Okay. System dot out dot println yes. What will be the output comes? What is the output comes? What will be the output comes? Hello only, no? But actually what S contains? Hash code. But how it will get hello? To string method called with that hello comes. That is okay. Suppose if I write like this, what is the output comes? Yes comes, no? Hello will not come because double quotes yes are written. So in this case you are getting hello. In this case you are getting yes. Now here double quotes started here. Double quotes ended here. Now here S1 password or Java to complete reference password. If I write like this, is it Java to complete reference password or S1 only password? S1 because double quote started here, double quote ended here. In between double quote is there. S1 only password, but S1 is variable. If you print like this, hello comes. If you write double quotes, yes only comes. S only comes. Okay. That is the reason here also we have to change. Double quotes close here plus again plus double quotes. Okay. Again double quotes close plus double quotes. Again double quotes close plus again plus double quotes. Understood what I did? Concatenation. Okay. Now S1 password. What S1 contains? Java to complete reference. That is password. Because that is outside the double quotes now. This type. Now this type. Okay. See. Suppose here if I write one more type, system dot out dot println system dot out dot println s2 equal to abc. Okay, now here if I write yes, suppose welcome plus s2, if I write what is the output comes? Welcome abc. System dot out dot println welcome s2, if I write what is the output comes? Welcome s2, like that. Here now it is outside the double quotes. It is outside the double quotes. It is outside the double quotes. This is URL rewriting. Now after this, get one more solid. Okay, one more solid we have to write. Now right click, new solid. Right click, new solid. Here package name, URL, get URL. Okay, next it is edit get. Okay, next here finish. Here again this program get cookie program is there, no? This is I'll copy. Actually here it is complete different. Okay, we have to write change. Now that is not required, leave it. Now that is now where it is in address bar will be there. URL nothing but displayed in address bar, no? From that address bar we have to retrieve. From address bar retrieving also request parameter only, because google.com will type request password, that is from address bar it will retrieve, that is also request. So again what you have to do, same you have to write string s1 equal to request dot get parameter. Okay, parameter name book1. Parameter name book1. String s2 equal to request dot get parameter, parameter name book2. Now string s3 equal to request dot get parameter, book3. Okay, after this, now what is happening here in set URL? Now the book is selected or not selected. I'm not checking here. I'm not checking. All I'm appending. Like selected also I'm appending, not selected also I'm appending. Now suppose selected, what will be there here? Java to complete reference will be there. Okay, if not selected, what will be there? Null. In address bar, this is again what will happen, string format only comes. The string format comes. That null is going to be stored in an object. Null is going to be stored in an object. If the value in an object equals method required or equals operator required, equals method required. If the content, now value is going to be stored in an object. Object means method required. Content. So here we have to check. If it is not equal to null, we have to print. How to write? If how to write? Just now you have seen. That is the reason I taught. S1 dot not equals method is there? No. Equals null. Here not operator you have to write not. Okay. not. Then we have to print, like print writer required. Print writer PW equal to PW dot println S1. After printing, next line, break. Already I told this println will not work. This server side executed, browser side HTML only required. Same style, if not S2 dot equals null. Then print. PW dot println S2 line break. Same style, if not S3 dot equals null. Here PW dot println S3 line break. Okay. Here object format comes. Hash code you should not check. Content you have to check. You have seen all examples for it. This is the reason only I explained. Okay. What is happening? You check it out. I explained already. Now, not equals this one, this one, this one. After this, HTML code you can attach. pw.println other HTML. HTML body, BG color, suppose red, text color, something yellow. Okay. After this, pw.println. I'll write level 1 heading, underline text, selected books. Level 9, underline text close, H1 close. At last, body close, HTML close. Now we are getting print writer error. How to solve this error? Control Shift to O, imported. Okay. Now it is going to run. That's it. It's over. See, right click, run as, run on server, save, save, select the server, next, finish. Okay. Here, books.html. See, select the books. Click on submit button. Your books are added to cart. Your books are added to cart. Okay. Next, selected books. But where is this? Observe with URL pattern. Third book I didn't select, null. Null string format came because in address bar complete that is string. So that is the reason equals method I used. See, you are getting, this is one more session tracking method, but there also you are getting, here also you are getting. What's the difference? Many differences are there. Suppose there I want to maintain the data 2 days. Possible or not? Possible. Here, not possible, because here time interval not possible. Servlet to servlet, servlet to servlet with URL you have to send. It is one more session tracking method. Okay. This program also you can write tomorrow. This difference is also tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow we'll see continuation. This difference is also tomorrow. Program also tomorrow you can write. We'll see continuation tomorrow. Yeah, I'll share notes in a Google Classroom. You can check it out. We'll see continuation tomorrow.